Ghana was the first of three prominent pre-colonial West African empires, namely Ghana, Mali, and Songhai. The empire, which existed from the 6th to 13th century CE, that is Common Era, was the smallest but longest surviving of the three West African empires. It was located in what is today southeastern Mauritania, western Mali, and eastern Senegal. The Ghana Empire was primarily made up of the Soninke people who spoke Mande or Mandingo. The empire was called Ouagadougou by its inhabitants, meaning land of heads. However, in Europe and Arabia, the empire became known as Ghana, which was the title of its emperor, meaning king. The first emperor of the Ghana Empire was Ghana Dinga Sise. Ghana's rulership was matrilineal in nature. The people of Ghana practiced animism, and they recognized their emperors as leaders of the religion. Sacrifices and libations were therefore made in their honor. They were accorded the utmost respect, and strict protocols were adhered to in their presence. When they died, the emperors were buried in sacred groves, which were inaccessible to the masses. Gold was so abundant in the Ghana Empire that it was described as the land of gold. The empire grew rich from the trans-Saharan trade in gold. This was bartered for products such as textiles, ornaments, etc. Kumbisali, the capital city of the empire, was the trade center. It originally comprised two towns divided by a 6-mile road. However, due to the influx of people into the two towns resulting from booming trade, settlements between them became very dense. Eventually, the two towns merged into one. Their houses were generally built of wood and clay, but rich inhabitants lived in homes built of wood and stone. The Ghana Empire began to decline in the mid-11th century CE when, led by Abdullah ibn Yassin, the Almoravids of North Africa annexed the capital city, Kumbisali. This was as part of a holy war or jihad on Ghana for not converting to Islam. The empire declined further in the 12th century when competing trade networks opened elsewhere, and when the climate became extremely dry for a long period of time, resulting in droughts. This affected agricultural production. Subsequently, the empire disintegrated, and the kingdom of Sosu or Susu seized control of a large part of its territory. Nevertheless, the kingdom of Sosu did not last long, as its king, Sumanguru, was defeated by Sundiata Keita in 1235 CE. Sundiata also captured the old Ghana capital Kumbisali in 1240 CE and subsequently established the Mali Empire. Modern-day Republic of Ghana got its name from the Ghana Empire. While most historians believe that contemporary Ghana has no historical connection to the Ghana Empire, oral tradition maintains that some remnants of the empire migrated to the region of contemporary Ghana. Therefore, some tribes of Ghana such as the Dagomba, the Gonja, and the Mampusi had ancestors linked to the Ghana Empire. Anecdotal evidence also connects the Ashanti and the Akans in general to the Ghana Empire. This, of course, is not far-fetched because, like the Ghana Empire, the Ashantis are well known for their wealth in gold and their elaborate use of gold in adornment. Also, some names such as Danso are said to be shared by the Akans of contemporary Ghana and the Mandinkas of Senegal and Gambia, who have strong ties with the Ghana Empire. Furthermore, Akans also practice the matrilineal system of inheritance, just like the people of the Ghana Empire. Ghanaian high-life legend Amanziba hints at Ghana's historical connection to the Ghana Empire in his hit song Wogbejeke by recounting the journey of Ghanaian ancestors through the Ghana and Mali empires into present-day Ghana. What do you also know about the Ghana Empire? Tell us in the comments section below.